Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruby. So today you guys, I just want to keep you update on my moving. I already moved. I am still packing. So I still have quite a few things to really pack out. Some of the things I have packed out, I reorganized because of the space that is very, very small. But I am I am doing my thing here. So let's talk about these two concealer. Now I have these two concealer before I move, and because of the busyness of me packing and everything, I really never get to do these concealers. So these are from Ruby Kiss, and they say it's all day coverage. Now I have one in medium beige and warm honey. So this one is warm honey and this one is medium beige, you guys. So I am going to try these two concealer out on my face. I just got in, so I decided to do this video. So let's first try out the medium beige. It is very thick concealer, and these are like, they are affordable, but they are also new, I think, at the beauty supply. As I said, I picked them up a while, but because of the business with me moving, I couldn't get to really do nothing, like, I'm just trying my best, you guys, because I want to make sure that my apartment is ready for the Christmas. So this is the medium beige, you guys. And you can remember about LA Girl concealer, which everybody love, even myself. I do love that concealer. So I am blending out this one, the medium beige, here and my under eye to highlight underneath my eyes, and then I am going to go over it with the warm honey to see. So I still have a lot of things to really pack out, you guys, in my moving. It's one of the things that when you live in a large place or a large apartment, you come in from and then go over to a smaller apartment, you end up have to either give away things or throw away things. So this is medium beige, you guys. So that's what happened to me right now. So let's try out the warm honey over the medium beige. Yeah, so that's what really happened to me right now with this moving. It's really, you know, I find myself on the weekend was really like, I was so stressed out because, I want to fix up my place for the Christmas holiday. And then, with all the packing, don't know where to put things, don't know. And I already threw away some things, and I'm still thinking of really throwing away more. It's very hard if you have a apartment and you have the storage that doesn't buy, but when you do not have the storage, that is where things so this is the warm honey, you guys. That is where you really, thinking, oh my god, what am I gonna do with all my things? I'm trying to do my best, and then I also have to dispose of things that I would really, if I have this space, I would really keep. But what can I do, you guys? I can't do nothing right now. I'm stuck. I don't even put up my ring light. I'm using my natural light to film this video, and the only reason why I'm filming this video right now because I just got in and I wanted to do this video from some time ago, which I did not get to do. So this is the warm honey here. I put over the medium beige, and it's look pretty good, you guys, on the face here. It's really look good on the face. Yeah, so I'm saying that, it's very very, very hard have um when you have things and you have to dispose of it, you know, to just fit in your space. When I first get this apartment, I said, okay, I can work with it. But then when I moved here, it was like a mess. Everything all over the place. I still haven't finished. I'm trying here, but I am just trying to see what I can do. So I'm gonna use the setting powder from Hard Candy. Here is a blurring refining powder. I have this for a while, and I am going to use it to put under my eye here and blend it out. Yeah, so that's what happened, you guys, when you have a lot of things, you know. And sometimes I don't really like to throw away things, but at this time I have no choice but to just do it. Because if I don't, then, you know, I'm going to really have like a lot of stuff and nowhere to put them. So I am doing my best, you guys, but as soon as everything is back in place, I will show you how I do set up my apartment and where I put some of my things here. I will give you a tour of my apartment, but for right now, it's still in a mess. So I'm gonna come back, you guys, after this. So guys, this is how the Ruby Kiss concealer look underneath my eyes. It look really, really nice, you guys, and they blend out so nicely. I really love them. They put me back into the mind of these concealer, which is the LA Girl Pro concealer, which I always use. So this really nice. My eyes are not creased or anything with this concealer. They blend out really good and they cover really, really nicely. So let's show you the warm honey that I use. This is the warm honey, you guys, really nice. And then I also use the medium beige, which I used. It was the first concealer I used underneath my eyes. So they are, the warm beige is a little bit lighter than the warm honey. So let's blend out medium beige here. This is medium beige, really, really nice. And then let's blend out the other one. So this one, you can hardly see it. It's more of my skin tone, and then this one is a little bit lighter. So I use the two together. First, I apply the medium beige first, and then I apply the warm honey after. So these are the two concealer that I use underneath my eyes, and I can show you how it look here. It's really nice. It blend out really, really good. So I just want to say thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Do enjoy, and if you do, like, share, comment, and do subscribe to my channel. I want to say God bless you. Take care of yourselves. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Ciao.